Like, I think it was time to make a shift to a new PFP. I've always wanted to be a... Oh, shoot. Oh. No way. Freaking A. I just ended my live stream on my X. What the heck? Bro, X is driving me nuts right now. I hate X right now because of stupid PFP change. Alright, we need snooze notifications. It's so annoying. And then paste. Bruh. Okay, we're back on X. That was so stupid. But yeah, if you are on the live stream right now, I see we got some viewers on other platforms other than X. I changed my PFP on X, which if you don't know, that's kind of like a, not an event, but it's kind of like a big deal, I guess, in the space when you change your PFP. And I changed my PFP to a DGOD, and I just, if you guys don't know what a DGOD is, I'm gonna show you right now. I'll do a screen share. And that image you see, on the screen as my PFP up there, that's a DGOD. And yeah, I swapped it over because like the community right now is insane. Sorry if you are joining this X stream right now. My notifications were going off on my phone, and I actually tapped it, and then it auto ends my live stream. Like, so it's so frustrating. So we're back. We're back. But yeah, we got a live stream from the phone and the computer today because X, if you change your freaking PFP, you lose your premium. So that's the stupidest thing. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. We're now a DGOD. And I'll be a DGOD for a while now. And see, it's under review. So stupid that it's under review. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think of me being at a DGOD now? Or you might be watching and be like, I have no idea what a DGOD is. And I hope I get to introduce you to that. But they went crazy last night. They had a massive pump in floor price. And absolutely ripped. Not only that, they had the Telegram that they just created absolutely going bonkers. Like, people were going crazy in there. They got 700 people in there overnight, like in less than like 6 hours. And that Telegram is just, it's a hack for the community, because what they are gonna do in there, they have a raid bot. And if you are in the Telegram and they post something that they want you to go raid, literally 700 plus people now instantly get that notification and go raid. And DGOD's community have always been known for being like crazy active, they raid. They get active on X, they get active on Twitter, they go and comment and like and repost. And the fact that now they have this Telegram with the raid bot, I think it's gonna be, it's unlocking something new with the DGOD's community. And now I just think right now the best thing for NFT community is their activeness. Are they active? Are they being loud? Are they having fun? Are they creating good content? And so for me also, if you look at the best content creators on crypto, a lot of them rep DGODs. And so I just wanted to join that. I wanted to be a part. I wanted to be a DGOD. And yeah, so I'm pretty stoked. I hope you guys are stoked. Let me know if you were watching it last night. What happened? Oh, nice. We just got 2 subs on YouTube. Footstool 16 minutes ago, and FC Lopez. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. We're right now diving into DGods and like what happened last night. I'll show you guys a chart too. Like they have crazy candles of what happened last night with DGods. And the engagement with DGods is just next level. Like my DGods is the DGod community engagement is insane. Like my notifications have been going crazy. All the DGods and Utes following, and I even got here. Look at this. We even got the Frank DGods. We got the follow from Frank, massive NFT founder. I'm hyped that we got him to follow. The fact that Frank followed, I'm hyped. I was really stoked to be that. It was fun hanging out with him last night when he was in the Telegram on the chat, and like we were doing the raids and stuff. So that was cool. I'm really excited to get his follow. It's like a stamp of honor in the space if you got a follow from Frank. But let's and also Moz and Soul Sniper. Do you guys see Soul Sniper also flip their PFP to a DGod? Like I'm telling you, DGods are it right now. DGods are going crazy. Let me show you the chart for DGods of what happened yesterday. If you guys didn't see, I'll if you're on my phone, I'll be flipping it soon so you can see too. Yeah, oh my gosh, dude, DGods are 20 soul floor right now. So DGods #1 trending in the last 24 hours, 20 soul, right? Look at these candles. Look at these candles, bruh. 1 hour time frame. Look at those candles. Look at those candles. They went from what is this? What are we looking at? I want floor price. It didn't show me market cap right now, or USD value. Let me see. When you go in here, oh, it's showing me USD. Oh, I want to see it in Sol. I want to see it in Sol. So let's scroll it over here. So DGods went from down here yesterday, down here, which was 11.44 Sol, and then pumped to all the way at this peak. They had a floor price of 21.25 Sol. So last night, DGods pumped from 11 Sol to 21 Sol. Like they had a massive pump. And it was because of that TG. The TG was literally going crazy. People were also like seeing the noise that the community is making due to the raid bot, and it was yeah, it was fun. It was fun. And then also now DGod's pumped, and so now I think there's going to be a narrative shift too, because a lot of people were mad when Frank and the team and a lot of the community were like, send it lower, and I think they're switching that to now up only, and the DGod mode activated and stuff. So I think it's gonna be really fun. And I think you should be paying attention to, like, literally paying attention to what DGods is doing right now. I think something's coming. Like, if you're here, Moz is a DGod. He was the one that was messaging me about switching, and he's got a Joker DGod. That thing is so sick. I love the Joker. And Soul Sniper just swapped to a DGod. That's crazy. That's dope that they swapped. Why are my notifications still popping through? I snoozed all my notifications. But yeah, Soul Sniper is now a DGod. Like, Soul Sniper is a big NFT exchange, and so it's dope seeing them as a DGod. But you got like Jakey as a DGod, Max is a DGod, Mark Colser, Sunny Maze. I mean, I made a whole list. Someone was like list 10, and I did. It's awesome. It's exciting. So I recommend, if you don't know about DGods, go check them out. If you don't know who they are, go check them out, because they're pumping. Community's on fire right now. I'm gonna follow back some of these D gods right now. Oh, did it not follow? Wait. Where'd that guy go? I followed him, right? Oh, it moved up. Nice. But yeah, the D gods are super active right now, and so I'd recommend paying attention to what they're doing. If you're wondering how the heck do you even buy a D god NFT, how do I get off? Oh, I gotta shrink this. If you're wondering how to buy a D god NFT, and you're a normie and you don't know how to do that, and you're like, how the heck do you even purchase a D god? Go to my YouTube, because you're gonna need a couple things. You're gonna first need a Web3 wallet, which this video I created, the Phantom wallet, is the best wallet to load up on Solana so you can be able to buy the NFT. Do that, and then if you want to actually go buy one, go to tensor.trade. You can see it up here on the top. Tensor.trade, and I'll show you their also their X profile, so you can. This is the X profile, Tensor HQ, and then you go to the D gods, and they'll be the trending collection, and you just go on here, find them, and pick which one you like. There's a, oh my gosh, that one's insane on the floor right now. I can't believe this one is 20 SOL right now. With this, what is this suit again? What is this suit again? No, it's not SOL. Hazmat suit. This is for 20 SOL. That's on the floor. Yo, someone needs to pick that up right now. Yo, if someone's in here, pick this guy up on the floor for 20. I don't have Solana. I don't have enough Solana right now. I think I only have 9, like, or 10 Solana right now to pick one up. But look at this. If you're on X, look at this D god that's on the floor. That hazmat suit on the floor right now for 20. That's kind of crazy that one's on the floor. There's some actually pretty dope ones on the floor. This cheetah one right here with the knife sticking out of his head. See, that's what the S3, the season 3 one is. Oh, it does it not have it? There's laser eyes. Dang, a jersey at 23. Yeah, it looks like there's definitely snipes. Definitely some snipes to be had on the floor right now. But yeah, this is how you get D gods if you want to buy one. For those watching on TikTok, YouTube, or Twitch. But X, I know you guys know how to do it. X, I know you guys know how this goes. And if X, if you don't have a D god, you know, I don't know what to tell you. I understand though if you can't purchase one. For a long time, I could never afford one. I couldn't get one until April of this year, and then I finally was able to get one, and I bought it. And I wanted to get a really cool one. I didn't want to just get like any random floor one, so I got to pick one that I really like. So I just got mine this last April. It was before, or it was like March. It was before NFT NYC is when I got my D god. It was beginning of this year. But yeah, D god's pumped. D gods have been ripping. I mean, right now my noties just won't stop. D gods are blowing up my phone right now. Oracle fam, are you D gods UK? Nah, I'm not. Oh shoot, Sunny responded. Yo, Sunny, new PFP looks good on you. Nice. Oh, Vice. Let's see. Vice. That's a sick D God. All right. Sorry. I'm just trying to catch up on some of these noties real fast. All right. All right. We're going to focus in on the stream now. Well, I mean, we are focused in on the stream, but I'm going to get out of my noties and start talking. But yeah, D Gods last night. If you didn't know, now you should know. They're pumping. The Telegram's going crazy. Yeah, go check them out. And if you are a sideline and you haven't been active in the space or with D Gods, I recommend check out the community. Check out what they're doing because it's cool. It's really cool, and I'm stoked to be repping one. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited for. I was repping an OK Bear for 477 days. I repped OK Bears for a very long time. I will never sell that OK Bear. I will always have it. It'll always be on my maybe not always, but on my banner. Because I like to switch up my banner sometimes. But I like, if anybody's watching this and you're an OK Bear and you think that this means I don't like OK Bears or something like that, stop. I love OK Bears. I will always hold my OK Bear. That one with the goggles. I love that thing. I minted that. Like, OK Bears has a special place in my heart. I love Kais. I love Drims. They're amazing people. Like, I will always be bullish on OK Bears also. Like, so don't even ever make this like, oh, Soul Maniac doesn't like the Bears, or like, it's not that. It's not that at all. I love the OK Bears. I love D Gods. I love supporting Solana, like dope things happening in Solana. That's why I'm Soul Maniac. I'm not OK Maniac. I'm not D God Maniac. I'm Soul Maniac. I love things. I love dope things happening on Solana. And D Gods right now are the dope thing happening on Solana, I think. One of them. And the way I can rep them and way I can get them hyped and like be a part is repping as a PFP. So I'm going to do it. Because I'm Soul Maniac and I like repping that stuff. I like getting hyped with the communities that are getting hyped for what's going on in Solana. But I always will be a fan of OK Bears, okay? Like, I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing it right now, and I will be wearing it for a very long time. I love OK brand. I love OK Bears. Like, please don't think that kind of stuff. Bro, ever since was it Monday, someone fake reported me on TikTok that I had hate speech. My TikTok has gone to 0 engagement because someone reported me and I didn't do anything. So frustrating sometimes that people just like to troll that way. But yeah, now my yeah. Oh well. Moz. Okay. Also, another thing that's like amazing happening that I want to talk to you guys about. Solana. You can see our live position on the screen. We opened a position. If you were in my Discord, if you're in the Discord, which if you'd like to join the Discord, either there's the code on the screen if you're looking at my stream on TikTok, Twitch, or YouTube. But if you're on X, you can go to my bio and click on my link tree, and there's a Discord link there. But look at this. Look at this chart right now. Okay? This is the 1 hour time frame you're looking at. And as you can see, we've broken out here. Let me see if I can do this. That's a little better view for X. This yellow line was the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame line. We broke out of that, retested, and popped off. Now, if you go to the 4 hour timeline, or time frame, sorry. 4 hour time frame, we just hit our 4 hour trend line. You see that? We tapped the 4 hour trend line. Looks like it's bouncing off a little bit. I'm not too worried because as I look at the 1 hour, that momentum looks like it's weakening. So I'm hoping that within the next 1 to 2 hours, we get a bullish engulfing candle and pop out of this blue trend line. But I'm very, very excited. Right now, I'm holding my stop loss, which guarantees me profit at this low here. But my my goal would be to ride this when it breaks this trend, if it does, right? So if not, if it doesn't break this trend, I might close it out early, but I don't think I will. I think if anything, I'd rather just let it get stopped out, because if it breaks this low, then yeah, it's probably changing. But if it holds this low right here, where my stop loss is, that white line is where my stop loss is at. If it holds that low, it should pop off. Like if it doesn't make a lower low, it should break this trend line. And so I'm excited to see what Solana does today. And the bummer thing is I'll be on a road trip as it's going down. And then also for those on X, this is the live position that we have currently. So it's a healthy live position. We're in about $5,300 in profit. So I'm very, very happy with what's going on here with Solana and with my position. I think we have flipped from a bearish trend to a bullish trend, and yeah, I'm pretty stoked about it. But let's look at the day time frame too. Ooh. Okay, I just looked at this. Is my first time looking at the day time frame this morning. This is actually pretty massive. Okay, this is actually pretty huge. All right, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. If this can hold, we still got 7 hours on this day candle, but if this can hold, look at this. See that? See that bullish engulfing candle? See that right there? That green arrow, bullish engulfing candle. My TP, my hope is at the trend line up here. That's my hope for the trend line. I'm hoping to follow this thing for all the way to the top of that take profit in the position. But we have a bullish engulfing candle on the day time frame. That's pretty huge. That's pretty huge that we got that. I'm pretty stoked about that. I just checked that this morning, and that should be, yeah, look over here. Last time we got a bullish engulfing candle, right? It actually corrected after a while. But so maybe that's something we need to look at. But if you look over here, right after a move down, right, boom, 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 like bullish engulfing candle is actually pretty exciting on the day time frame. I'm excited about looking at that, seeing that. LXRY, thank you so much for being in the stream. Thank you, dude, for showing up, being in here. Thank you. And thank you for everyone who's on YouTube and X for also watching. I really appreciate you guys showing up. I'm excited. Today's an exciting day. And I think we have a really nice trend coming for us in regards to Solana for a little bit. I don't think it'll last long. I think it'll hit that trend line that we've talked about. And if you want to really know my thoughts, like right when it comes, join my Discord, because I actually throw in my technical analysis in there often. Like when I was opening up this trade, I was showing you guys when I'm opening it, why I'm opening it, my technical analysis, where my key indicators are. Like, so that's just one aspect of what we're adding to that Discord, but we'll be adding more too. But right now, I don't know if anyone else is having this problem, but I can't even get my Discord to load up on my desktop. I can only use it on my phone right now. So I was kind of bummed, because usually I put some things in the morning for my Discord community, but I can't even my Discord won't load up on my computer, but it will load up on my phone, and everything's okay in there. But yeah, so I'm very excited about this position. And if you look at the 4 hour, right, I don't love the fact that this 4 hour time frame just got 2 blue candles, and I'll show you guys on X. If you're looking at the 4 hour time frame, this blue candle just happened, and then that next one just opened up and still has 3 hours and 35 minutes until that one closes. But I don't love the fact that the 4 hour got a blue candle, because usually in the past when we've gotten bullish engulfing candles on the 4 hour, it does this and does not have a blue candle until a really long upward move all the way up to there. See, and so we have a blue candle here, that's a little premature, and I hope that it doesn't do. It could be like this, right? It could do this, but if it does do that, I have my stop loss, and I would just enter at wherever it corrects and bounces off. So I'm not too worried, but I'm hoping that it doesn't correct like this back down to the box. I mean, I guess I wouldn't really care because then I just enter again down there and do the position again. Yeah, I guess at the end of the day, I really don't care if it goes lower because I've secured profits. My stop loss guarantees me profits right now. So I guess I wouldn't be too upset if I had to get stopped out. Just enter lower and do it all again, right? It's like rinse and repeat. That's not bad. Nothing to complain about. To be in that position, not have to worry about if it's gonna get stopped out. We're not gonna lose, right? I'm fine. Let's also look at Bitcoin right now. Let's look how Bitcoin's doing because Bitcoin's a key indicator too for what is going on in the market. And if you're new to TA or if you're new to like how the heck do you know if things are pumping or dumping, pay attention to Bitcoin. Pay attention to Solana. Pay attention to what's happening on the market and what price is doing. Nice. Okay. So on Bitcoin chart, as you can see right now, the MACD is the momentum on the MACD is actually weakening. Look at that. See that? The MACD is getting pretty low. The MACD is hitting like looks like it might be getting close to a bottom area. But then also if you come up to this day time frame, see that? See that? Those bullish hike and ashy candle right there? See how it's super weak? Tomorrow for the Bitcoin could be a bullish engulfing candle like Solana has today. And that would be pretty huge. That'd be pretty huge if we got that. I'd be very, very hyped for Bitcoin, and that'd be an indicator that we're probably going up to this trend line up here for Bitcoin. If we get a bullish engulfing, we're going to retest up here, and I think we're going to be in some choppy. I don't think the market's going to be too fun right now, all the way through September, because October. If you remember what I talked about on my Monday's live stream, October is going to be, I think, the crazy month of a massive bullish pump. Historically, October has been where the largest gains throughout the year happen, like 30, 60, 40% moves. And so I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited to see how October performs. So I think in the meantime, from right now to October, it's going to be kind of choppy, lame trading that will, you're not going to see major pumps like in the market right now until October comes. I just think we got to be patient. I think we got to wait for the right time. And I think the right time will be, October. So I'm excited for that. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. Historical monthly returns on Bitcoin. Let's see if I can find that chart I had. I think it was investing.com maybe. Let me see. Let me see. No, it's like a map I want. Where did I find that? I don't want your sign up. Okay, thank you. Technical analysis. Maybe that's where I can find it. I don't think so. No. Sorry, I'm trying to find this graph real fast. Let me open up some of these. All right, we got a couple tabs open. Oh, maybe it's this one right here. Here it is. Found it. Okay. So let me get to the, there it is. Okay. Let me show you guys real fast. Let me show you guys. So you have in context why I think October is going to be the month that crypto, Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, Jupiter, like Bonk, L2s, L1s, all of them. I think they're going to all pump very nicely in October. And it's this. Look in August, right? Look in August right here. August, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red months of August historically for Bitcoin. And you only have 1, 2, 3, 4 green months in the month of August. And as you can see, 2024 August, we were down 13.5%. Okay. Now let's go to September. I think September, we're going to be either negative for September. I think we'll be negative or like a very, very low percentage on the positive side. But if you can see, there's only 3 green months ever in the historical chart of Bitcoin. And most of them are red. Okay. Now go over to October. Most of October historically is always green. And when it's green, it's 30%, 6, 40%, 27, 10, 47.8, 14.7, 33.4, 60%, right? Like it's not like, oh, it's like, oh, it's a decent month. Like we get 7%. No, it's 30%, 40, 60, 27, right? Like October, I think October 2024 is going to be a very healthy month for Bitcoin, which would then mean a healthy month for L1s and L2s also on the market. Now, you got to take in the potential, like factors into place, right? This year's an election year. That could have a heavy effect on the market, right? That could cause October not to be a good month. Could cause September to be a really bad month, and it could cause October to have a red month. Could. Now, also, what you got to take into account when you're thinking is also this, right? Where do I even search? All the wars that are about to happen, right? Like there's the world right now is on this teeter-totter of potential World War III. You got Israel and the surrounding nations around it. You have Ukraine and Russia. 4,000 Marines just got sent. I forgot where 4,000 Marines just got sent. Let me search it up. 4,000 Marines sent where this week? So this week, they were sent to the Middle East, and they sent 4,000 Marines. Where did they add? It says Middle East, but I want to know where. I don't even. Let's see. I want to find a trusted source if we're going to look at this. I don't want to find just any source. But yeah, it's besides the point of where they actually specifically went. But there's also the thing that you need to take into account that could affect the market massively is the looming over the world right now of World War III. That could massively affect the market. I don't know how. Like, I don't know if it would affect it in a good way or a bad way, right? Because crypto is a way to use in times like that. But I don't know how that would be affected. I don't think crypto's been in a time of war like that. So it would be like kind of like a price discovery in a way of how will crypto be affected if there was to be a war happen and break out. And that's something we need to be, if you're like looking at the market, you need to be paying attention to that. I'm paying attention to it. Follow me, like you're watching live streams right now with me. So like, if you're interested in like what is going on, that is, I'm a source that you can use. And I'll try to always give you guys non-biased, like straight to the facts of what's going on. None of this, like, I like facts, right? I'm black and white. Give me the facts of what's happening. I don't want like left wing or right wing or whatever, all these like polarizing thoughts. I want the facts, what is going on. And so that's what I'll try to give you guys is just straight fact of what's happening and how that's affecting us in regards to the crypto market. because it will affect everything if it affects it one way or another. If it's pumping or dumping, it's going to affect everything from NFTs to meme coins to L1s, L2s, altcoins, all of it, right? It'll all be affected. And my guess is it'll be affected in a large scale, in a very large scale. Mike, welcome into the stream. Thank you so much for being here, Mike. Welcome in. Hope you're having a great Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Happy Wednesday, everyone. What is this? You need X premium account. You need a yes. I know. Jerk. All right. But yeah, those are things I'm paying attention to in regards to the market. One, what's going to happen on October, and we got right the end of August, which is going to give us how September will look. Right when that what color that September month is going to be, and then we will see what October will look like. And I think October is going to be a very, very nice month for us as a crypto market. I'm very excited. Too sick. Welcome into the stream, Mike. I hope what's up, man? I hope you're having a great Wednesday. I hope you're having a good day today. It's a great day. I'm excited for today. We had last week we had almost a 30% dip in the market in regards to Bitcoin, Solana, and other places. And so I think we're going to get a relief pump back to the trend lines that we've been showing. So if you're looking on my screen, it's going to be the purple trend line up here. Let me show you guys real fast. It's going to be, I think we're going to get a relief pump from down here, this is the massive fall from last week, and then a relief pump to here. But I think we're going to be choppy right in this area, right between the support and resistance until I think October, where we'll see a nice pump in the market. But yeah, so sorry to be the bearer of lame news. Not bad news, because it's not bad news, but it's lame news. We ain't pumping, I don't think, anytime soon. Not until October. Good morning, Too Sick. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you, dude, for the heart. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. You did not have to do that. Thank you. Hope you're having a great morning. Or if it is morning for you. If it's not morning for you, have a great whatever it is. For me, it's morning. It's 9:38 a.m. for me. Because we're on the West Coast, baby. Oh my gosh. I'm getting notifications on when people are tweeting, and it's all right. I'm not missing any chats, right? No, I'm not. Okay. So far, so good. Just got back home from a little vacation to SoCal. Oh, no way. Nice, man. Yeah, today I'm heading on a little vacation to Mammoth. A little like 3-day, I guess you can call it, Wednesday to Saturday. My wife is up there, and I had work things to take care of in my in real life job, and also for the crypto stuff. So I'm showing up a little late. They've been hanging out since Sunday, and so I'll be showing up today, getting to hang out till Saturday. And it's my first time this year going on a trip that's just gonna be relaxing and hanging out with family. I've been on trips this year, but like the trips I've been on have been for the New York trip. That was for work, for crypto stuff, going and networking and going to events, and it was super fun, but it was also exhausting, just to be honest with you. It was tiring going to all the events, traveling, and then my travels in September, right? We're going to be going to Singapore, but that whole time it's going to be grind and like get content, grab content, meet with people, network. And this time I'm super stoked. I'm super excited because this time for Singapore and New York City, my goal was to vlog it and then edit it. And I had it all. I still have all the content, but I didn't have any way to edit it. Like I would have had to stop everything that I did to edit that thing. I didn't have a video editor, and I just wasn't able to. But in Singapore this year, I have my videographer coming and my video editor. So we will be having a vlog, either like why we are in Singapore launching those vlogs out, or the week after. Like we will be making sure those vlogs get done this year. Like it's a must, and I'm really excited to showcase to you guys what's gonna happen in Solana Breakpoint, what's gonna go down there. I want to see Jakey's fight that's gonna happen up in or down in Singapore. I want to see the speakers. I'm hoping I can meet with some really dope people that I didn't get to meet in New York. I'm hoping I can hang out with some D-Gods people, OK Bears, SMBs. I will be staying with Solana Monkey Business in the hotel. I love that community. If you don't know Solana Monkey Business, I love that community. Here, I'll show you them. I love my monkey. We'll be staying in their hotel with them. We got the VIP package. I kind of wish I could have stayed for the Formula One, but I have to get back by that Saturday on the 21st. Right here, Solana Monkey Business, or actually, really, it's this now. It's actually Monkey DAO. Monkey DAO. I'll be staying with the Monkey DAO. I stayed with them in New York City. They were amazing. Jemmy and Stroll and the team over there actually absolutely killed it for New York City. So I'm really excited to stay with them for Singapore. And honestly, any event I go to, if they have hotels and they're doing something, I will always be staying with them. I hold my SMB. I love my SMB. It's amazing. But I'm really stoked for Singapore, Solana Breakpoint. Too sick. Hell yeah. Have fun up there. Breaks are needed for your mental. Yeah, dude. I definitely need some. I accidentally folded loans on my Gen 3s, working to get a Gen 2 next though. Yeah, dude, get a Gen 2. That's a bummer though on the loans on the Gen 3s. I'm sorry about that, man. I hope you came up on top though. I hope you actually got a dub there with the amount of Solana. But yeah, dude, get a Gen 2. Get a Gen 2. They're amazing community. And then also if you take part in actual in real life events, they do really cool stuff. And so I will be staying with them anytime they have in real life event stuff with their hotels. Like, yeah, right here. See, I'll be at Singapore. This one right here. The summer kickoff. Singapore. And that's the hotel we're staying at? Nah, no way. That's just Singapore. I don't think that's the hotel we're staying at. I honestly have no idea. I know nothing about Singapore. This is my first time going to Singapore. This is only my second time ever leaving the country of the United States. The first time I left, I went to Africa on a missions trip to help in the slums of Africa and like feed people, pray for people, and like we did a lot of cool stuff out in Africa. But this is my first time going out of the country, or second time going out of the country to Singapore, and this one's like compared to Africa, that's like polar opposite. I don't know if anyone's ever been to Africa, but it's an amazing place, beautiful people. They're amazing. They're joyful. Like when you see what some situations people are in, and the amount of joy they still have in their life, it's amazing. But yeah, we were able to help feed people and pray, and we put on a VBS for some churches and stuff, and it was a really good time. But yeah, that was fun. But now we get to go to Singapore this year. Let's look at Solana. It looks like our position's a little low, not low, but like I can see the price fluctuating over here. So I want to check out what it's doing on the 1 hour time frame. I got about 4 SOL each, so higher than current FP. Nice. Yeah, at least you were up a little bit than losing on the 4 price diving. I think we're okay over here. 4 hour. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, I want a bullish engulfing candle just like this on the 1 hour. If you're here, I'll show you guys. Sorry, X, I keep forgetting. So right now, this is where we're at. Momentum here on the Heiken Ashley are shrinking. I want one of these candles to be next to this one of these candles. I want a bullish engulfing candle here. If we don't get one and the bullish momentum fails on the 1 hour, I think we might be going lower, and I think my stop loss might get hit and we might make a lower low. But I kind of want to see here. I want to see what's going on before I close position too long, because really my target My target for my position is way up here. Like, I want to ride this bullish trend to the retest up here. That'd be the goal. But if it starts to correct and go back down, I'll just re-enter here and try to ride it up there. Because I think I believe we will be going back up to this line, but it might have a correction first, retest the support down here, and then go up. Just like over here, right? Pump, retest, pump. Right? So we'll see how it plays out. What are SMBs at right now? They're like 20 sol. Let's what are SMBs? I think they're like 20 sol right now. Let's see something. Let's see what SMBs are at. Oh, someone say something? All right, no. SMBs 21.86 sol. Oh my gosh, will D-Gods flip SMBs and Retardio cousins? That'd be kind of crazy if they do. That'd be kind of crazy if they do. They flip geckos. I still want a gecko. If you're in here and you got a gecko, I want to join that community. That's honestly my next community I want to join is geckos. I really love the geckos. Their founder is absolutely amazing. He's super active in the space. I think he's a really smart guy. Like, oh, thank you, dude. Oh, too sick. Thank you, dude. Thank you for the crown. I really appreciate it, man. Holy smokes, 100. Thank you, man. 100 diamonds on that one. Really appreciate that. Seriously. But yeah, I really want a gecko. I really want to get a gecko. I think they're an amazing project. SME Gen 3s are 1.4. Yeah, I like, this is the SMBs. This is SMBs. These are the OGs of Solana. These are the OG NFTs of Solana. Like if you have been around the block with Solana, these have been always a top performing project. Always been amazing NFT to hold and be a part of. Like, I'll always hold my SMB. Which I'll have to show you where is my SMB. Let me see real fast. I don't want to showcase all my wallets. This is it. Oh, we just lost the position too because I switched my wallet. All right, I'll get right back to it. Let me just get my SMB out so you guys can see it. There we go. Okay, we're back. We're back. We're back. Where did my... There's my little guy. There's my little monkey. This is my SMB right here. I think it's a dope monkey. I think it with his little shades on, his little Hawaiian shirt. Like, I love my SMB. He's a dope little guy. I love him. I bought him on a peak. I bought him much higher than what the floor price is right now. I'm not gonna... But yeah, it's my SMB right there. Love that OG collection. Love my SMB. Really solid team. Really solid community. They're fun. They're awesome. Let me switch back to my other... There we go. Should be back now. Yep, my position's back. Okay. Let's see. Come on, Solana. Hold this area. How much time we got? 10 minutes on this candle? Okay, we got 10 minutes on this hour candle. And I'm interested to see how the next candle opens up. Also, if you're watching the stream right now, I got some pretty excited things coming. I'm talking to I'm talking to 2 companies right now that I'm very one, I really love them as a company and within Solana, and 2, I think their teams are amazing. The people I'm talking to are awesome, but I'm very excited for potentially 2 partnerships, my first 2 partnerships really that I've ever had within Solana ecosystem that might be coming very soon. We're still in talks. We're still kind of like chatting. I'm kind of showing them like my content. I'm showing them who I am, my analytics. I'm showing them like we're also talking about like potential opportunities we have together, what we can create. And so there's if these are 2 are good fits and we both see each other as good partners together, as me being their creator and them being a support of my channel and the content I create, I am very, very, very stoked for this, and I cannot wait if they go through. I don't want to rush anything because I want to make sure it is like, I just want to make sure like I'm able to provide what they're looking for. I'm able to be give my heart and soul into what they want, right, and give them and produce them the best I possibly can. And then 2, I want to make sure that my content does not falter or like diminish with the partnership, right? I want it to be a win-win for both sides, because I want to give you guys who are my audience the best possible content. I don't want a brand or a company that's going to come in to take that away at all. That's like a high priority for me, that I don't want that to happen. And I don't want to be like just their screaming mouthpiece, but I want it to be something strategic that they understand what we're doing, what we're creating. We're making Solana simple for a lot of, our goal is to make Solana simple for a lot of people, and we're very in the beginning days of this, and so I'm excited for these. And as soon as I can, once we get things finalized, and as soon as I can start showing stuff off of what might be happening, I think you guys will like it too. BASC is another project I love. Dax Days is also a great founder. Yeah, Dax Days is amazing. BASC is also a great project. I agree with you, too sick. I don't currently hold any. I honestly don't know if I ever will, but I will always appreciate Dax Days. He's a really good guy. He's a really kind person in the space. I do like him. And that community is really strong. That community is very active. And I like that. I love seeing communities who are very active, and willing to like get in the trenches on CT and hang out and push their brand. See, last 6 minutes of this hour candle, and it looks like it might be pushing us a little further. Let's see where it's going. I hope it, as long as it holds above this white line, this low, and does not break this low, we should continue in this bullish momentum, right? If it continues to make higher highs, as soon as it starts making lower lows, you need to be prepared. Let me actually make a trend line real fast. Let me actually make a trend line to see what this looks like, because that can give me an indicator right now. Ooh, we might have just broken trend. We might have just broken trend, and I might actually close my position. See that? See that break of trend? That's on the 1 hour, right? Let's see on the 4 hour. I don't really think I can make a trend line for the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it just broke trend. Let me show you guys what I mean. All right, so as I make my trend line here on the 1 hour time frame, right, from the bottom of this move, I put my ray up to one of the lows, right, and it breaks the trend right as it touches this, and it's breaking trend. Now, what I would probably look for right now is a retest on this blue line up here, the 4 hour trend line, see what it does there, and if it fails to break through, I'll probably close, because that means we're probably going back down to this purple box. Okay, and then I'll reset, re-enter, and do a new position. Yeah, so we might have just received a break in trend, and then we will see a retest on this blue line, and that might be where I take my profit if we can't break through that blue line. So that's actually a key indicator, right? So you need to be paying attention to your trend lines. And so I might be closing this position within the next hour or two, maybe 3 hours. But I'll also be on a road trip. So I actually, you know what? We'll do this right now. I'm going to set an alert on that trend line. Okay. I'm going to set an alert on that trend line. And hopefully, it touches the trend line before it touches my stop loss. Okay. So, 4 hour, actually, Sol 4 hour trend line retest. Okay, so create 4 hour trend line retest. Perfect. Let's put this out a little longer to 6. All right, so I'll either get a notified that my stop loss got hit, which is okay. We still secure profit. We still have a safe position that we will not lose money. Or I get a notification that we're retesting the trend line, and I can watch it then. Is it breaking out, or is it resisting on the trend line? And depending on how it reacts to the trend line is dependent on if I'm going to take profit and close the position or keep it open if it breaks out of the trend. If it breaks out of that 4 hour trend line, that's a really good indication. Okay, I'd be very, very happy if it breaks out of this 4 hour trend line here. That's a good indicator. Very good indicator. Yo, Philip just followed on the Twitch. Thank you so much, Philip. Thank you so much for being in here, man. Seriously, really appreciate it. You the homie. What's up? What's up? I know that guy. I know that guy. That's an IRL friend right there following me. That's an IRL friend following me right there. I'm excited for that. Thank you, dude. Of course, brother. Thank you. I hope you had fun in Mexico, man. Now that you're back, right? You went to Mexico, right? Yeah, you went to Mexico. You just got back, right? I haven't seen him in a while. Yes, sir. 2 days ago. Yeah. He just got back from Mexico doing a mission trip too. And welcome back, man. I hope you're getting rested. I hope you didn't have to go straight back to work. But I miss you, dude. I can't wait to see you on Sunday. But thank you for the follow, Philip. That's sick. That's so awesome. So yeah, as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, it's actually shrinking down a little bit. It's not. It was growing a little bit to break this. I want the body of this 1 hour candle to stay below the body of this 1 hour candle. That would be an indication of weaker momentum. Can't wait to tell you all about it. Miss you too, bro. Yeah, dude. I'm excited to hear you guys' stories. I'm excited to hear the stories. I heard it was an amazing trip. Nice. We got 30. How many people we got in right now? 33 people in the stream right now. Thank you so much, everyone, for being in here. Today might not be a super long stream. We might go maybe another hour today. But I gotta head out to Mammoth soon and get my drive. It's like a 6 hour drive from where I'm at, and so I'll be driving for a minute. I could live stream and drive. I don't know if that would be okay. The officer like pulls me over. He's like, "What are you doing?" Like, officer, chill. I'm live streaming. Okay, relax. We're talking TA right now. Do you know Bitcoin? Do you own Bitcoin? Huh? I'd be solo live streaming on it too. That'd be funny. Oh man. Let's see what the 15 minutes doing. I've been also watching a little bit of the 15 because that gives good indication too of what's going on. 15 minute is honestly hitting a bottom on the MACD. Do you see that? It's starting to curve up. The 15 minute, I would want to see some momentum start pumping up too, but it looks like the 15 minutes kind of flattening out here. See how it does this every time? It's kind of flat, then a dip, right? Flat, then a dip. That's what I'm hoping. So I'm hoping we can I hope it pumps, and maybe we move our stop loss up to this bottom here, and now that would secure about $5 grand in profit. So that'd be a good solid position to hold and have. But we'll see what price does here. We'll see what price does here, and it looks like on the 15 minutes doing exactly what we want. And we got, oh shoot, the hour just ended. What did we get? Okay, that's pretty good. A very small bearish candle. So if you look on here, X, sorry, I'm on my phone today. So this was the candle that just closed. Now we got this new really small bearish candle. Good indication. Good indicator. We like it. We like it. And sorry if you're on X and you're wondering like why the heck is he on his phone today and why do we not get to see his screen? It's because I changed my PFP to a DGOD, and because I did that, X took away my verification because I changed my PFP, which is absolutely stupid because like none of my information changed, just my PFP. Like why does my PFP take away my verification? It's stupid. And so I couldn't go live on my Streamlabs because Streamlabs doesn't recognize me as a verified account because they took it away because I changed my PFP. So I'm sorry I'm on my phone today and not on the screen share and stuff. It'd be way easier and way smoother for you. But hey, at least we got a phone that has tech to go live stream on the phone, right? At least we're still able to do it and stay consistent. Let's see if my Discord will open up real fast. Let's see if my Discord will open up. I can't get it to open and load. Is anyone else let me know if you're in the chat right now, or if you're watching the stream. Can anyone else not load their Discord right now? I can't get it to open up on my desktop. It just gives me a gray screen. Anyone else having that issue, or is that just me? I can't check anything on my desktop. I want to show you guys the Discord. Yeah, it's still gray. I'll show you. It's just a boring gray screen that won't load. So it just turns my entire screen gray. Won't do anything. Stupid Discord. Stupid. Is this a sign that I need to make a Soul Maniac TG instead? I honestly have no idea how to use Telegram. Like Discord, I know how to build one. I know how to like do stuff in it, but I have zero idea how to do a Telegram. I mean, I imagine it's probably pretty simple. If I can do a Discord, I imagine I could do a Telegram, but it's like the learning curve, you know, you got to catch up. And it took me it took me a long time to make this Discord. It took me a real long time to make the TG. But I mean, if you guys want it, I'll do it, but only if there's a community want, you know, a desire for it. I want to give what you guys want, not just make things just to make things. All right, I'm excited. Let's see the 4 hour. How much time we got 3 hours left on this 4 hour candle. I think we're okay. I think we hold this. I don't think we break a low. With what I'm seeing on the charts, I don't think we break a low. This 15-minute candle though, this 15-minute I think would be a good indicator. Like if we start breaking this low right here, let's make a little trend line. If we break that right there, let's change this visual order. Visual order, send it back. Wait, why did it do that? Visual order. Okay, visual order. Bruh. Send it back. There we go. But it's so, there we go. Oh, it's because I'm hovered over it. That's why. That looks better. Nah, it looks way better. Okay. Yeah. this is that purple line you see on the screen. Let me show you guys on X. This purple line right here, this low on the 15-minute, that's a key line. If it holds there, I think we're good to move up to test the blue line up here, to test the 4-hour trend line right up there. Okay. But if we break that low that the 15-minute do, because if you look over here, right, it had consolidation, a dip, and then a pump, right? A consolidation, a dip, and then hopefully a pump, right? Even if you look down here, again, down a little lower, right? Kind of consolidation, right? A little consolidation here, pump, right? So that's what I'm hoping here. We get a low consolidation, dip, pump. So if that breaks out that line, that's kind of like an indicator that maybe we're going lower. Ideally, I would get an engulfing candle on that little 15-minute time frame, but we got 8 minutes left on that 15-minute. But we'll see how it plays out. Adam, Adam, thank you so much for the follow. Yo, all my in real life friends are actually like coming through right now and following. Adam's actually a degen. If you guys don't know Adam, hey Adam, you're on Twitch right now. Adam, go join my X live stream and put your handle in the chat. Throw your handle in the chat on my X live stream so I can shout you out. He's actually a really good artist. If you're anybody who is looking for artists, he's a really good artist. He's done several collections within the space, and he's talented. He's very talented. Yeah, okay. I think he's gonna come throw his handle in the X chat. Let's see if he hops in. He's on Twitch right now. Thank you, Adam, for the follow, man. Let's see. He should be hopping in soon. If you're on X and when he does it, shoot him a follow. Go check out his stuff. He makes really cool stuff. He's a really talented artist. And he's one of my in real life friends. But also he's my only in real life friend that actually knows Solana. Like, knows what I'm doing. He knows when I'm talking about stuff. He can actually talk about it. You know, like most people when I talk about the Solana stuff just kind of look at me like, okay, I don't care. Solana's stupid. Bitcoin's stupid. You're literally dealing in scams, right? Like that's what most people will say. But he's the actual guy where if I told him, yo, dude, today I changed my PFP to a DGOD, he's going to be like, yo, you changed your PFP to a DGOD? And he's like, that's crazy. And he's going to know what that means, right? So it's fun. It's fun talking to him. And fun having a friend in real life that actually knows the degen lifestyle, knows Solana and been around. He's been around. He's been around since the OK Bear Mint. He's been around since was it 2022 or did you start joining in 2021? Adam, I did kind of freak out on that, lol. Adam, if you're in the X, put it in the chat if you can. Maybe there's weird. Do I have ask for a follow? I can ask for a follow. What did I just do? Follow request sent. Ask for a share. Share request sent. Okay. Start sketching. What is that? Broadcast details. Okay, here we go. How do I make sure you guys can chat? I think everyone can chat. My bad. I don't normally stream from my phone when it comes to X, so I hope everyone can chat. Days Ducks days? Yeah. Oh yeah, you were around in Days Ducks. That was my first ever Solana mint. If you don't know Days Ducks, that was my first ever Solana mint. Okay, that was December 2021. That was when I first ever minted any collection on Solana. Who remembers the DDMC? Anybody in here minted DDMC? Put it in the chat if you've minted DDMC. I want to see DDMC in the chat if you minted that Show you're an OG and you minted Dazed Ducks. I remember I had my dad. It was me, my dad, my brother, and some buddies. I had my dad minting Dazed Ducks. Me and my dad were minting Dazed Ducks. I think my dad still holds his Dazed Ducks. My dad still has it. Replied. All right, maybe my chat isn't working on X. Maybe it's locked out. What is this sketch? Oh no. Dang it, man. Dang it. It just ended my X live stream again. Bruh, no way. Well, that sucks. I don't think I'm gonna start it again. So frustrating sometimes, tech. Bro, it was my IGPFP. My Dazed Duck was, you're welcome. Dazed Ducks was my IGPFP. I forgot about that. I forgot I did that. Back in the day, everyone's like, who the heck? What is this duck on your face? I'm like, yeah, you guys don't know, but it's a Solana NFT. Yeah, I'm about that life. I'm about that life. Back in the day. Well, that sucks. My X live stream went down. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, it's hard. Thanks for the shout out today. Oh, nice. Okay, if you want to follow 8-Bit, he commented on my X live stream and he's in the Twitch chat. So if you want to follow that guy and like see what he's doing, go ahead, follow him. Hell, hire me. Hire you. That's funny. Lower until all the dorks are flushed out. Paul, I think, just called me a dork. Lou. Oh, shoot. Lou. This is just to show you how active the DGuys community is. Like, look at all my notifications from them. They're just blowing out my noties right now. Like, they're extremely active. They're extremely active. Oh shoot, did Bryce Hall? That's not Bryce Hall. No. But yeah. This 15-minute, I want this to hold. Come on, 15-minute. Come on. Come on, 15-minute. Hold there. What was Duck all-time high? What was Duck's all-time high? I think it was like 20. 20 soul. I think. And I had like a special duck too, and I ended up selling it for a pretty good profit. It was like my first really big win in Solana space. But I think it was like 20, maybe 18 for a floor. But my duck went to like 20 something, I think. But the floor price, I think at one point was 20. The artist too for Dazed Duck, he's really talented. That guy's pretty amazing. I think it's pretty amazing. All right, 33 seconds on this current 15-minute candle. We'll see what happens here. We need it to hold that purple line. Come on. Hold that purple line. Hold the line. 10 seconds. Ooh, the next candle is pretty big bearish candle. Maybe it'll shrink down. As long as we hold that purple line, that's the key. holding this purple line and holding this white line. If this is the next low, right? If it breaks this low, then my stop loss will be hit. That's my white line is the stop loss. But really the key kind of, I think, is this purple line right here. Will it hold the purple line or break through? Come on. What time is it? 10:15. Okay, we got 45 minutes still on this candle. And we got 2 hours on this candle, 2:45 on this candle. Okay. All right. This is really helpful. Thanks, Maniac. Yeah. Yeah, of course. I currently have the live position open, so we bought down here. So if you're like looking at the position or if you should purchase, I bought down here, been holding it for this trend, and it just broke the 1 hour trend line. So actually, let's make this yellow because it's a 1 hour, not a 4 hour. My yellow lines are my 1 hour trend lines. And so as I'm holding this, right, it broke the 1 hour trend line. And the key thing would be if it breaks, retest, but then breaks the 4 hour trend line, or if it doesn't hold and breaks further, then I'll take profit here probably on this retest and then re-enter hopefully at this box down here. I'm really starting to understand your methodologies more. Good. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Day trading can really help. I know me and you have talked about it before, but day trading can really, even with small capital, can really change what income you can bring in a day, right? And now I sit here for a long time, right? And I stream and I do the technical analysis, but like really, you could have gotten here this morning, be like, okay, set alerts. Like I could have done this in 10 minutes and then gone about my day, right? So like 10 minutes it took me to do some TA once I now understand it, right? And then 10 minutes out of my day, I could make $4 grand potentially throughout that day as it plays out. Well, really, I've been holding this position since Monday. So that's within 3 days, right? So there's really a cool opportunity with trading, day trading and trading on the blockchain. So I think it just opens the door for a lot of cool opportunities to help change your life. Now, is it risky? Yes. Now, do you need to be smart? Yeah. Do you need to learn before you do it? Heck yeah. And is it easy? No. It takes time, but if you're willing to put in that work, it can really... Oh, it looks like the 15 minutes breaking down. Let's see what it does on this line. I won't do anything until this candle's closed, but looks like it's breaking that purple line. Which I'm not... I just don't want it to touch the Y. I really would like it to do a retest on the 4 hour, which maybe I missed it because maybe these are the retests here, right? Boink, boink, right? Break, retest, pop. So maybe I missed the retest, but I was sleeping. I was sleeping when it had that. So we'll probably go for another 10 minutes, and I'll probably close out the stream today because I gotta pack still, and get going. But yeah, I hope this was helpful for understanding with my live position. For those of you who have been following since Monday, of what I was looking at, of like what I'm expecting. That if it makes a lower low, I got my stop loss to protect me, so I guarantee profit. But also, I'm watching this current low to see if it makes a pop off that line and then makes a little pump to retest the 4 hour, and then what's happening at the 4 hour, right? That's a key indicator. So if you're watching, wondering if you have a position out, like what's going on with the market, what should we maybe expect? That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm expecting. So I hope that's helpful. Really, this would be the area. Let's see. I could even put a little box here. Like this could be as low as it goes potentially. Right? And what is it going to do there, right? You have this support here that it bounced off. Boom, playing around and then bounced off, right? So let's see. That could be an indicator too in that box of what's going down on the 15-minute. What is price going to do there, right? And then on the 1 hour, right in these wicks, kind of like what is going to go down. And my stop loss would be right outside this box. My stop loss is right outside that box. So even if it did go this low, right, I'm still a little bit outside the box. So if it decided to wick out that support zone, I still will have the position out, right? But and then if it breaks the box, then I know that it's going lower, and I'll look for my re-entry. So this could go either way at the moment. I think at the moment we're breaking our current 1 hour trend. So we're going lower, right? And so I'm looking for the retest, which would be the retest on this blue line, which means price goes lower, right? Bounces off, makes a lower high, right? A lower high, that's a key indication. Then bounces lower, and then I take my profit on the retest, hopefully. And then I see what price does down in this area, either on this one, right? Or down all the way down to here. So I think we are actually entering a little bit of a bearish trend. And if you go to my 4 hour time frame, I'll show you what this kind of looks like. If you're wondering, like, what does this look like and what did it happen in the past? If you go over here, it looks like this, right? We had a pump, a fall, and then another pump that actually took it all the way, right, to the back to the retest up here on the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for this. I think right now what we're doing, we just had a pump. We're going to see a correction and a retest on the support down here, and then a pump. So I think we're doing this right here right now. Right now, I think we're going to do, let me get my arrows out so it kind of makes sense. So I think we're going to go down, right, boom, boom, and then boom. Like that's what I think we're going to see price do, which is just like this over here. Up, down, boom, right? A breakout. I think that's where we're looking. So I think it's going down to the support, which should be the optimal entry. If for those of you who aren't in a position, you're like, oh, I would love to get on this position he's in. If I take profit up here, I'm looking to re-enter in this box, right? So if you're wondering like where would be a good entry, this support is in an excellent entry position. Every single time it touches this box, it wicks off hard. So that would be my next re-entry, and then hopefully that one is the ride to the top all the way up to here. That's my ultimate goal, right? That's where my TP is at up here that I'm looking to hold, but it looks like I might have a retest down here on the support. So essentially, Adam, I'm looking for my exit right now. The only way I don't exit right now is if when we get down to these lower time frames, the only way I don't exit right now is if we retest this and instead of falling, right, we go here, right, we come back up from this line, we retest the blue, but instead of falling, it actually breaks through. That's the only way I don't take my profit up there. If it actually, the only way I don't take profit if it breaks through the 4 hour time frame. But if it hits the 4 hour and then falls back down, I'll try to take profit here. If I'm on the road, I'll try to like pull over something quickly so I can do it. So I'm not on my phone or something while driving, and hopefully I have service. But we'll see. My goal is to see that price rejects this area, it moves up, and I can actually move my stop loss to here. So then I am at least locking in a little bit more profit than down here. So that's my goal before I leave, is to hopefully push up my stop loss a little bit more. Yeah, I hope that's helpful. I hope that was helpful explanation of that. All right, it's 10:25. That's all I got for you guys this morning. I got to go get some other things done. But if you're looking on the screen, hop in the Discord I've created. come hang out. It's for our community, to build a stronger community together. It's for me to showcase my TA. It's for me to notify you guys when I have things happening, opportunities that I see, things that I'm creating, right? And so it's a place that essentially I can have direct communication with you guys, and you guys can also have direct communication with me at pretty much any time of the day. I'll be now, my sole focus is my live streams, content creation, and building the community in the Discord and outside of the Discord too. So if you want to be more part of the Soul Maniac community, hop in the Discord. The code is on the screen, and go use that and join up, and at me when you get in there, and say hi. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have had amazing Wednesday. I hope the stream was helpful in educating you and understanding what I'm looking for in the market right now. And I will see you guys, not Friday, because I'll be in Mammoth, but I'll see you guys all on Monday. Oh, we had one more question. Yeah, and seeing how you backtrack for past trends is nice. Okay. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you. We got a total of 4 subs and 4 subs or 2 subs, 2 follows, at a total of 4 new followers during the stream, not including what we also got on X. So I'm super stoked. Thank you guys for the support, and I will see you guys all on Monday, next Monday.